Hello everyone, this is Crypto Maximalist. Welcome back to another video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already, and get involved if you like the content. We're currently running a giveaway for those who are liking our videos, so give the video a like if you want to be entered into that giveaway. So just taking a look at Polygon here, and as we can see in our last video, we have pretty much, exactly said what is pretty much going to happen here, in our opinion. As we said, we're in this strong uptrend, which is pretty much confirmed now, you would say, with your higher high, higher low, and higher high. You've got the breakout of that key level of resistance, that bear market resistance for Polygon, where you come up, you get stuck under a key level here, which is the 050, I believe, of the Fibonacci pulled from that high to that low. We come back down, obviously a little bit of a 1, 2, 3 retracement here, retesting that previous resistance as support. We come down, support, near the bottom of the range as well, going sideways like this. And now looking like today, we are having a nice clean breakout of that range to the upside. As you can see here, we're having a very, very decent little move here of around, 22, 23%, breaking out of the key level of resistance of this range, and now coming up and getting stuck under, another key level up here, which was this previous swing high at around that $1.18 level, just retracing currently at that $1.10 level. So Polygon looking very strong indeed, breaking out of key levels of resistance. You can see here, if we pull our Fibonacci in, you will see a bit more confidence as to what we're talking about. You can see very clearly we pulled this from the high to this swing low down here. And right now what we're looking at is basically, Polygon just making its way up through the fibs here. You can see we came back up, we reclaimed the 023, we broke through the 038, and then since then we've been pretty much ranging between the 050 and the 038 here, very, very nicely for basically, the better part of a few months now, really, hasn't it? Ever since we got to July, all the way up to now, July, August, September, October, 4 months or so of consolidation in this area here. And now looking like we are getting a bit of a break to the upside, as we said, breaking out of this key level of structure and some resistance here around that, that big psychological $1 level, and also that $1.5 level here. Heading up towards our next Fibonacci level. Now we've cleanly broke away from the 050, which is our next target at that 125 level, which is something that we did say in the previous video, and it looks like we are starting to get that now. As you can see, Polygon, it's forming some nice bullish market structure. You can see, potentially forming a little bit of an inverse head and shoulders type formation here. If you'd say this is your shoulder, this is your head, and then this is your other shoulder, and then obviously we've got that break up to the upside. Massive consolidation in the fibs, and now looking like we are getting higher high, higher low, and then another higher high here. So obviously if we come down, now that we've formed this bullish market structure, if we can hold this previous level of resistance as support at the 050, do something like this and start making our way up through the fibs, then we'll be looking at something very bullish for Polygon. But overall looking really bullish indeed, especially considering the current market conditions are still not ideal really for a bull market. Bitcoin's showing absolutely no signs that it's clearly back in a bull market. Things are still very uncertain, but Polygon overall looking very, very strong here in our opinion. As we said, looking bullish. The market structure is looking bullish, breaking out of key levels of resistance all over the place. That bear market resistance broken out of and retested, and now making our way up through the fibs, looking pretty bullish. So as we said, very simply, price targets, that 0618 level, a very key Fibonacci retracement level at that 125 level would be our next key level to the upside. And then obviously you do want to see that 038 level at 95 cents being retested as support if we do see ourselves rolling over and retesting. So that's it for today, guys. Thank you everyone for watching. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to support the channel. Grab yourself some free money bonuses, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll see you in the next video.